Friends, a running kimono here. So this is your curbside video for Walgreens for the week of March the 9th to the 15th. You are ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to your local store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. You are hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, and it's as easy as that. If you are the kind of shopper that likes register rewards and doing in-store deals, I made a video yesterday where I was bebopping through the store. You might want to check that out. We have a couple of freebies and cheapies. And for those of you that your Batiste register reward did not print, and if the manager would not credit you the $10 of Walgreens cash, it is in the ad. They have to credit you that $10. What I'm suggesting is to check out the video at the end on how to get in touch with Catalina. Very easy process. I made a video many years ago where you just basically go to their website, fill out some information, upload a photo of your receipt, and within a week they'll mail you the register reward. Check it out. It'll be linked at the very end. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get right into this. So deal number one, we are going to be grabbing one of these, which is the $23.99 Elusive Mach 3 razor refills. Now, I'm going to let you guys know this is probably a harder item to track down because there are so many genius coupons attaching. If you watched my video yesterday, you're already on top of it, but we have a 15 off of one and a $6 off of one. One's a manufacturer and one's a store. It makes it like $2.99. We're also going to toss into the basket two of the Axe body washes for $10. Now, I could not get that coupon to attach last week, but guess what? This guy is attaching, so it's making it $3 for the two. Very cheap body wash. I mean, a deal I would absolutely do. And then just for good measure to get the math to balance, we're going to throw in a $5.99 soft soap. Who doesn't need this? And we have a very generous 2 off of 1 digital coupon. So make sure you have it loaded because who doesn't like a nice big thing of hand soap? Okay, so just to round out the basket, we're going to throw in one of these Walgreens toilet papers, and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about just to get the math to do the old balancing act. So just to show you guys, $7 for Axe, $2 for soft soap, $15 for Gillette, $6 for Gillette, and $1.20 with the WAG 10. Because we were a bit short with the code WAG10. That's why we had to throw our friend that toilet paper into the mix. And then just to show you the overall basket, it is $41.97, $7.20 melting off, free curbside pickup tax, $24 in digital coupons, and you are paying $12.98. And what I would do is use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $2.98 and call this a very good deal. Okay, so the next deal that we have is deal number 2, and this one is a little bit different. Now, last week we had this to load, which was a 10 back when you spend 25 on beauty. If you want to try this deal, by all means, go for it. We're going to throw in one of these Neutrogena moisturizers for $14.99. We have a $7 digital coupon attaching to said product, so make sure you have it loaded. So that is kind of a little gift, I think. And then we're also going to throw into the mix one of these Japanese fingernail clippers and file for $3.99. And we have a $2 digital coupon. This one. So make sure you have that guy loaded too. And who doesn't want a new pair of clippers? I certainly do. And then we're going to throw in one of these makeup removers for $6.99 from L'Oreal Paris. And we have a $5 digital attaching to said product. So that is really fantastic. To round out the basket, we are going to throw in a Wet n Wild for $1.29 just to get the math to balance. So just to show you guys, Japanese, L'Oreal, WAG 10, and Neutrogena $7 coupon. The WAG 10 is what made the basket dip below, so that's why I threw in the Wet n Wild. So the overall total here is $27.26 minus the $1.20 with WAG 10. We're still at that threshold of $26.06. Tax, $14 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $13 $1.62. As the promotion is to spend $25 to earn back $10, you're earning back that $10, not factoring in your tax. It's like you're basically getting this whole transaction for $1.20. That includes a Neutrogena, the L'Oreal makeup remover, the nail clippers, and the lipstick. So what a deal. It's like very, very cheap. As that's a spend booster online, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or you will not get your $10 back. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. The rest of these are $10 baskets. It's not a big spend one. Everybody's favorite, Mr. Cottonelle. I know that a lot of you love this toilet paper. And I guess they must have heard something that we enjoy it so much that they gave us a $2 digital coupon. At the very least, load this because what a deal. Also throwing in one of these soft soaps for $5.99. It's just a really good value, guys, especially if you go through a lot of hand soap like we do at our household. And we're going to throw in this digital coupon, which is a $2 off of a $1. So just to show you the coupons coming off, we have the $2 for the Cottonelle, the $2 for the soft soap, and an extra $1.20 with WAG 10. Those savings, really great. So the overall total was $15.99, $1.20, free curbside pickup, $4 in manufacturers. It's $11.68. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it and pay $1.68 and call this a deal. Okay, so deal number 4, we are going to be grabbing 2 of the VitaFusion gummies. If you want to grab the multivitamins, I think they're an extra $1 or $2 more. They are buy one, get one 50% off, and we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. Here's our friend. It's a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have that friend loaded to show you the savings. Here it is. WAG 10 for an extra $1.18 off, and that really nice 10 off of 2 digital coupon melting off. And alternatively, if you want to go with the men or women's vitamins, it's going to be an extra couple bucks. So it's $21.77. WAG 10 taking $1.18 off. That extra $10. So it's $10.63. If you may have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 63 cents. Okay, our final deal is deal number 5, and for this one, we are throwing in 2 of the L'Oreal Elvives. This is just a very basic deal for some cheap Elvive shampoo. So 2 for $10, along with the 3 off of 2 manufacturer, and then there's a $1.50 store coupon that's going to apply twice. So here is your little chorus line. Sorry, that $1.50 coupon, I could not get a screenshot of it. It vanished. And we are also going to throw in our best friend. I just think this is a really tremendous value to get this guy in a couple different baskets. $5.99, and you guessed it, we have that $2 digital coupon. Load it. Then we're also going to throw in 2 of the Axe body washes. So if you can't find that razor for the first deal, this is possibly the deal you can do. Just an alternative deal. And load our friend, which is the 7 off of 2. And that is a really great coupon. And then just to show you the savings, $3, $7, $2, $3, using the code WAG10 for an extra $1.10 off. Absolutely. The overall total is $25.99. $4.10 melting off, and $12 in digitals. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay the $1.20. What a deal. Okay, so the final deal that we have is food and clearance, and I did not see any of this tagged at my store, but apparently there's a lot of frozen food that is 50% off, and a lot of it is like nice frozen food. It's not like, something odd. So we have these White Castle chicken sliders at 50% off. You can't find these prices anywhere. So just type in clearance into the app and then look under food and then see what your store may have. And then start building an order from there if you really want to stock up on food. We have a 14-ouncer of the Oreo mint ice cream. This is a favorite of my husband. If I would have saw it yesterday, I would have grabbed a couple because he really enjoys those. Who doesn't like mint chocolate ice cream? And then we also have these. It's a lot of mint chocolate ice cream. They're the little Turkey Hill cookie sandwiches. So $3.29. I mean, some of these prices we haven't seen in a really long time. So if you wanted to build a $10 or $20 basket, by all means, we have these Walgreens brand egg bites for $2.49, and you get 4 in a package, and then the Dove ice cream bars. Check your Fetch rewards in case there might be some rebates to go along with some of these products. But if you are looking to stock up on cheap frozen food, I would definitely look through the app, type in clearance, and then look under the subcategory for food. And the Catalina video is right here in case you missed that $10 Batiste. How to find it, it's located right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.